BDO versus other Philippine banks, which one is better for you? Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you which one is better for you. First, let's talk about BDO. BDO is one of the largest banks in the Philippines and offers many services such as savings accounts, loans, credit cards, remittance, and online banking. It also has many branches and ATMs nationwide, which makes it convenient for customers. Now, if we compare BDO with BPI, BPI is also a trusted bank and is known for strong customer service and digital banking features. It is a good option for people who want easy online transactions and investment services. If we compare BDO with Union Bank is popular for modern mobile banking and user-friendly apps. It is a great choice for people who prefer doing everything online. So which one is better for you? If you need many branches, ATMs, access, loans, and complete banking services, BDO can be a smart choice. If you prefer strong mobile banking, BPI or Union Bank may also be good option depending on your needs. For example, if you often withdraw cash in different cities, BPO may help because of its many ATMs. If you mostly send money online, Union Bank can be convenient. Another example, if you want personal loans or credit cards with many options, BDO is worth checking. If you want investment products, BPI is also a strong choice. Short tip: choose a bank based on convenience, fees, digital features, and branch access near your location.